Hey cruisers, it's Feature Friday, and today I'm going to talk about something I have definitely overpacked before. Shoes. Now let's talk about what I used to bring, then what I'm actually bringing now. First, my confession. First started cruising, I packed every type of shoe. Heels for dinner, flats for walking, sandals for the beach. Half of them never even made it out of my suitcase. I'm not a fashionista, I'm more of a comfort first type of cruiser. Packing around all of those extra shoes was definitely not worth it. So here's what I do now. So when I board, I wear my bulkiest shoes, and that's usually a pair of gym shoes. And not because I need them that day, it's because they take up the most space in my suitcase, so I put them on my feet and use the suitcase space for something else. So for me, I wear the biggest shoes that I'm traveling with. Now, for what I actually pack, especially if I'm flying, I'm team carry-on. So in my carry-on, I pack a comfy pair of sandals so I can switch as soon as I'm on board. Then I pack 2 to 3 more pairs of sandals that can go with anything in my wardrobe. Black, of course, and some neutral colors, blue, because I'm usually wearing something blue. Now, I also pack water shoes, doing anything that's like going to the beach or poolside or something. That's lightweight and easy to dry. They save your feet from hot sand or rocky shores. Yes, I have officially retired my cruise heels. Instead, I'll bring 1 pair of dressy flats that I can go to dinner in. Shows, and the flats may be a little bit elevated, but not too much. No twisted ankles and no regrets. So what are your go-to cruise shoes? Drop your must-haves in the comments. Let's help each other pack smarter.